today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your train lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to accept. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you will find here apps, click on it. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for train lineup. We'll just click on search. Then here add train line up, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click here on for stop. So then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.